Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi Dattatri Sitar. Today's my topic is air pollution. There are two types of air pollution: primary pollutants, and the primary pollutants that directly cause air pollution are known as a primary pollution. Supply toxic emitted from factories in a primary pollutant. Secondary pollution means the pollution formed by the intermingling and reaction of the primary pollutions are known as the secondary pollution. The pollution is caused secondary pollutions is caused by smoking and the other things. Also water pollution will be happen through the air pollution. The many types of air pollutions are burning of forest fuel. The forest fuel emits a large amount of supplies dioxides, carbon monoxide released. Fuels also result in air pollution. Automobiles, second is automobiles. The gas emitted from the vehicles such as jeeps, trucks and buses and pollute the environment. These are the major source of the air pollutions disease among the individuals. Agriculture activities are the also type of the air pollution. Most of the gases emitted during the agricultural activities thus increase the air pollution. Harmful chemical the atmosphere and contain it. Another air pollution is a factory and industry. Factory and industry are the main source of the carbon monoxide organic component, hydronic carbons chemical. These are the released and the air decreasing its quality. Another is the mining activity, means in the mining process the minerals are below earth of the extract using a large pieces of equipment. It is a dust and chemicals released during the process not only pollute the air, also declare the health of the workers, and it is also erodes the soil. Another thing of the air pollution is the happen with the many things by human and air, but also affect breathing. Effects of air pollution are the um, mm, environment uh, environment is imbalance. Second is a disease. Air pollution has resulted in several repeatedly discovered and heart disease among humans. The cases of lung cancer have increased by last few uh, years. Child living near polluted area more pros and asthma. Many peoples every year due to direct or indirect of air pollution. Global warming due to the gases. There is a harmful gases is released by the lead increase the temperature of the earth, and also lead increase the temperature of earth. The many area of surrounding is acid rain happens. The burning of the fossil fuel released harmful gases such as nitrogen oxides and sulfur oxide droplets combines with this pollution become acid and fall acid which damage the humans, animals and plant life. Ozone layer was decreased by the air pollution. The release of the chlorofluorocarbons and hydro uh, nitrocarbon and major causes of the layer is decreased. Ozone layer does not prevent the harmful ultraviolet rays combines from the sun of the causes skin disease and eye problem among the individual. Also read the ozone layer is depletion. Effects on animal is the by the air pollution is the suspense in the water bodies and affects the aquatic life pollutions. New place this render them stray. The a large number of animal species was decreased by the air pollutions. To control the air pollution, decrease they avoid using vehicle to decrease the air pollution. People should avoid using vehicle for a short distance. Rather, they should prefer a public modes or transport to travel from one place to another. This not only prevents the pollution but also converts the energy conversion. A large number of fossil fuel are burned to generate electricity. Therefore, do not of the electrical applies when not in use. Thus you can save the environment at the individual level. Use the energy effective device such as a CFLC also controls to get a level. And the use of solar wind and solar wind to generate energy and reduce air pollution large amount, including India, have implement to use of these resources as step towards to clear environment. Other air pollution control measures are by minimizing and reducing the use of fire and fire products. So, since industries emission are the major of air pollution, the control to treat a source itself to reduce effects. The if the um, raw materials can be substituted with the other less pollutant materials. Fuel substitution is another way of controlling air pollution. In many parts of India, petrol and diesel are being replaced by CNG compared to natural gases fuel vehicles. These are the mostly the are not fully operating with the. Although these are the many practices in repeating the quality of air, most of them either of forgetting or not being influenced properly. There are still a lot of vehicles on the road which have not been tested for a vehicle emission. Another way to controlling the air pollution is caused by industrial is to modify and maintain the existing pieces of the equipment so that the pollution is minimized. Sometimes controlling the pollutions at the source is the possible. In cases of we have the process controller equipments to control the pollution. A very effective way of controlling the air pollution is during air pollution. The last and the best way of reducing the ill effect of air pollution is tree plantation. Planting a trees reduce the large number of pollution and the planting in area of high pollutant level with the extremely effect. Thank you.